Hello, my name's Callum from, I nearly said the wrong company. A very good day. Right, a quick video today because, some of you know that over the last couple of years I've been quietly building up the antenna field at Holly Farm. We got towers. As you know, I like to call them towers. They are masts, right? We got verticals and phasing systems, four squares, all sorts. It's reached the point now where I can just do a tiny bit of help this spring. Okay, not much, right? Just a few practical jobs. And I know there's quite a few of you within driving distance who enjoy this sort of thing as much as I do, really, and it's kind of a bit of a social. So I thought, let's make a couple of Sunday work parties. So the first job probably be the end of March, which is about 3 weeks from now. We're going to lay down 2 Beverage-on-Ground receive antennas, one for VK ZL Japan and one to North America, across the field. Pin it to the ground, right? It's actually a really easy job, but it's just a hell of a lot easier with 6 of you, We'll literally pin it down, just let the grass grow over it. You'll never see it again. So if you've ever wanted to see how these things are deployed in practice, this is your chance. The second job on another Sunday, which is kind of probably 10 till 2, 10 till 3, something like that. We need to bury some coax. I've got some LDF4-50, and we need to cut it into 4 pieces, Heliax, and run that from the shack across the road under the grass. Put it down about that much. LDF4-50 is extremely strong, solid copper core. Put a bit of sand, top and bottom, and fill it back in, right? So that's a kind of bring a spade, bring a shovel party. Just a shallow trench. Nothing complicated, just a bit of manpower, really. We've done that before, really heavy job, actually. And most embarrassing, we did that at Uplands Farm, and then 2 weeks later, we were kicked out of the bloody place. But there we are, LDF4-50. I want to upgrade all the coax to it. And the third job is just a general tidy up. The tree line and the little forest area is just a bit out of control. It's mostly my fault. I just pick up the branches, we'll tidy it up, we'll slice the tree line. I've got one of those extendable electric, it's kind of it's not quite a chainsaw, but it's nearly. We can use the warehouse platform to get a bit higher, and we'll just trim it back. So if you've got trimming stuff, I'd be really interested in buying you a beer for that. What else? So it's not exactly forestry. It's just some sensible trimming. So if that sounds like your idea of a good Sunday, a bit of radio engineering, bit of digging, bit of standing around, talking baloney, then there's a form in the description. Otherwise, I'll have emails and comments from it, and I can't coordinate it. My admin's not very good. If you fill out the form, then I'll be able to go, on a Thursday. We're doing that thing on Sunday. If you're interested, come along or let me know, whatever else. Now, while I'm just recording this, I'm also thinking of doing something else here. Once the station is a little bit more finished, I'd like to start a monthly shack night, probably one Wednesday evening. Something like that every month. Not a lecture, it's not a club meeting, just radios. Sit down, use the Yagi, whatever else. Make a coffee, wander around, solder on a PL259. So that's the plan anyway. I'll release a dedicated video on that. So there's a few Sundays. Hopefully later this year we'll start the Holly Farm DX club, whatever. If you fancy getting involved, fill out the form. No commitment, right? Just fill out the form and I can be getting in touch with you. And we'll see what happens. It should be quite good fun. And I'll see you all soon, all right? May the force be with you. Oh no, wrong channel. Enjoy your radio. Bye for now.